Now, what happens if we try to insert records or delete records inappropriately? Okay, what do I mean by that? For example, if we go to PC and room, we can see there that the only record in here has PC ID of 2 and room ID of 2. Okay, if I try and delete the record in the PC table that has an ID of 2, I'm going to have a problem here in this table, because this table then will be linking to a PC that doesn't exist anymore. Okay, so a relational database management system such as MySQL should not allow that. And similarly, in the room table, if I delete the room table record whose ID is 2, I'm going to have a problem here, because room ID 2 still exists in this linked table as a foreign key. Okay, another way to look at it is, if I insert a record into PC and room where the PC ID is 12 or the room ID is 3000, I'm going to get a problem, because that PC and that room do not exist. So let's examine this. Okay, so let's go into PC and let's delete the record that has PC ID equals 2. Okay, and let's look at the error messages here. Okay, so I'm getting this sort of message here: cannot delete or update a parent row. A foreign key constraint fails. Okay, and then it gives you the foreign key constraint there. Okay, so PC ID in PC and room is dependent on PC ID in the PC room. Okay, and this is a problem because PC ID 2 is being used. Okay, so just click to get rid of that. That's going to be a problem. And similarly, if I go into room, okay, and I delete the second record there, we're going to run into similar sort of problem there. Okay, now if we go into our link table, we're going to have similar sort of referential integrity problems, this time from an insert point of view. So let's go to PC and room. One record here. If I insert in here using this tab here, I can't type anything in there. I'm forced to pick a record in PC ID whose primary key already exists, and similarly here I'm forced to pick a record in the room table whose primary key already exists. Now we can try and be sneaky. Okay, let's try and insert a record here into PC and room, just writing it from an SQL point of view. Okay, so I want it to create, let me make that a bit bigger. Okay, I want it to create its own, or I want MySQL to create its own auto incremented PC and room ID. I am then going to have PC ID, let's say 999. We know that doesn't exist. And let's say room ID, let's put 1 in there. Okay, quantity 5, and allocation time date, we can just put null in there. Okay, and that's going to automatically default current time date. Okay, so I should get an error here because I've got 999 here for PC ID and that doesn't exist. There we go there. Okay, so we're getting the same sort of thing there. Foreign key constraint fails. Cannot add or update a child row. Okay, so a row or a record in this link table, okay, a table that has foreign keys is called a child table because it depends on other tables. Okay, parent comes before the child. So we have a problem there. Okay, if I go back here and put PC, if I put a 3 in there, that exists. Okay, and there we go. We get no problems with that. So referential integrity, exceptionally important topic. Okay, and InnoDB database management, relational database management systems handle it very well.